Uh-oh. Look at this. That, my friends, is snow. My pants are getting wet. I can start to feel it soak through right there. Seeing more and more snow. Slowly gaining elevation. Oh, my fingers are getting numb. I brought a pair of gloves with me, but I don't want them getting soaked on my first day. This is where I gotta be really careful. My muscles are tired, I'm fatigued, and everything is slippery. I just gotta take it nice and slow. Unfortunately, the path is getting covered up with snow, and that's not making my life easier. This is getting a bit much. I need to find some shelter. My hands get too cold, I can't light my stove. Or look at that. There's a cabin